G'day everyone, Brian Odian here with another episode of VikingCloud CyberIntel. Not long ago, reports emerged about the shutdown of a major cybercrime operation in eastern Myanmar near the Thai border. The site, often referred to as KK Park, was not a single building or office, but a large, multi-purpose built complex made up of hundreds of structures operating as a coordinated fraud hub. According to authorities, more than 2,000 people were detained during the operation. The compound relied heavily on satellite and internet systems, allowing it to function independently from local infrastructure. That little detail is important because it shows how deliberately designed the site was to support sustained, large-scale online fraud, even in a remote or unstable environment. The scale of the operation challenges common assumptions about cybercrime. These were not isolated scammers working independently, but an industrialized setup resembling a small town dedicated to fraud. The volume of the people involved suggests organized management, technical support, training, and enforcement mechanisms to keep operations running continuously. Equally significant is what this shutdown implies about the broader landscape of cybercrime in the region. Reporting and expert assessments indicate that similar compounds exist across parts of Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and other borders areas where governance is weak and criminal groups can operate with some relative freedom. If this one site alone involved thousands of people, it raises serious questions about how many comparable centres remain active but undiscovered. Some international organisations have previously estimated that tens or even hundreds of thousands of people may be working in or coerced into scan operations across Southeast Asia. Many are believed to be victims of human trafficking themselves, forced to participate in online scams targeting people around the world. The scams linked to these centres typically include investment fraud, romance scams, fake online services, often aimed at victims in wealthier countries. These operations exploit both the people being scammed and many of the workers inside the compounds. Whilst the shutdown of this centre is significant, it does not represent a comprehensive solution. Cybercrime networks are adaptable and can relocate or fragment if pressure is applied unevenly. Long-term progress will likely depend on international cooperation, some financial tracking, sanctions against organisations, and support for victims on both sides of the scam. Until next time, stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure.